everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how easily you can download a video from your Telegram. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do watch this video till the end so you can see the process and do as you would like to. And yeah, we will simply just start with our video. So first thing what you will do is make sure your network connection is good and you have updated your Telegram app. Then you will simply go to your app, and as you can see, once your app is open, then you will simply tap on the particular chat or the group where you have the video that you would like to download. Then you will simply so if you simply tap on the video, and if you tap on the three dot icon and tap on the save to gallery option, you will see this option called please wait for the video to be fully downloaded. So if you have that kind of problem, so while trying to download this particular video, and that this video is not totally downloaded on Telegram itself, so that could be one of the reason. If your video is totally downloaded on Telegram, then you will simply tap on that, again tap on this three dot and tap on the save to gallery option. As you can see, it's started being downloaded because this particular video is now downloaded on my Telegram app. So this is how you can simply download any of the videos from your Telegram easily. And then you will simply you will go back, then you will see this little download icon on your top right corner. That means that your video is being downloaded, and then you will simply go back to your gallery and you will check if that particular video is downloaded or not. So you can see in my case that particular video is downloaded in my gallery over here. So that's how you can download a video from your Telegram app itself. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, so make sure to subscribe our channel and do like this video as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.